I've gathered some plants from the garden to bring indoors for the winter, and I placed them in a basket together, lined it with plastic so it's easy to water, added grapevine around it and some pine cones to it. But for special occasions, I want to add a little bit of fragrance and color with fresh flowers. To do that, I use a petite bouquet holder, so I have a water source for my flowers, and it inserts easily into the container. I've started one here, adding roses and pepperberry into the design. And then I just pop it into my basket. Now my plant basket's all dressed for the occasion.